Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, all types of content here on my channel, and I would love for you to stick around and join the family. But also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a like if you like hauls. I feel like I've been doing them very sporadically, but every time I post them, you guys really like them. So maybe I should do some more. I really want to go and get some like beauty supply stuff. You guys know I love a good beauty supply store haul. But yeah, guys, if you are not already, also make sure to hit that little notification bell because that'll notify you every time I post, which is every 2 times a week here on my channel. I almost said days, but I'm not giving myself days. It's just 2 times a week. It has been Wednesdays and Sundays recently, but with my new job starting, that might change, but I will still be uploading 2 times a week. I can definitely still do that for you guys. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, so for this, I'm sorry, I dropped my phone. For this haul, I got some like business attire because I am starting a new full-time job. I actually already started technically. My first day was a few days ago, but it was just training and like orientation and stuff. So technically, I don't start until like Monday. I want to say. I'm not sure when this video is going up, but yeah. So I needed some new office attire because I had none. Let me move this a little bit because I feel like it's a little dark. Let's brighten it up a little. But yeah, so I went to Old Navy, TJ Maxx, and Amazon, and Just Fab. So that is where all of these items are from. I really have been enjoying shopping for business attire because it is something completely new for me. Although I did work retail for a little bit, it wasn't necessarily business attire. Like you could, I don't remember if I ever wore jeans. I don't think I was allowed to wear jeans, but like black jeans were okay, but not obviously like ripped up jeans because I worked at Banana Republic, so it was more like businessy clothes, if that makes sense. I'm trying to think of what I wore. Like I wore a lot of like just like regular pants, like not necessarily slacks, but like pants, if that makes sense. So anyway, and after that I was a nanny, so it really didn't matter what I wore. I wore sweatpants to work and leggings all the time. So I definitely had to re-up my stock, and even business clothes that I had from when I worked up at Nana definitely don't work anymore because they don't fit, because I was like 18, 19 when I worked at Banana, and we don't have that 18 to 19-year-old body anymore. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So this first sweater I picked up from Old Navy, and I love this color so much. It is like a, I guess it's chartreuse. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's this turtleneck sweater. It is so pretty. Oh, it's coming up really nice on camera. I was afraid it was going to look like lime green. I'm like, I'm not wearing a lime green sweater to the office, I promise. But it is a turtleneck. I love like a big turtleneck like this, especially for the wintertime because you don't have to wear a scarf. And here in New York, it hasn't been super, super cold. I mean, it has been cold though, but like, I mean, no negative digits or anything, thank goodness. But we're still just in February. It still can get very cold. But this is such nice material, nice quality. I actually picked this up on clearance, so it was only $16.49, and it was originally $49.99, and I don't think I would have ever paid $50 for this personally, because it's like one of those things where you can only wear it like once a month because people will remember when you're wearing a lime green sweater, you know. But it's really cute. I got it in a large, so it was a little bit oversized for me, and I absolutely love it. It's so soft, and it's like perfect for like those cozy days, and my office is super cold actually, so this is gonna be amazing. Let me show you what else I got from Old Navy just to keep on brand and everything. I don't think any of this is from Old Navy. I'm just going to go ahead and hang those up like that. Oh, I also went to Walmart actually as well. So there's a little bit of Walmart in there as well. So let me see. Oh, I picked up some of the pixie pants from Old Navy, which I absolutely love. They are so cute. They're just these like almost like chinos kind of. They're just like dress pants. I don't know how else to describe them, but they're really, really nice. I wore them already, like I said, on my first day, and they fit really well. I didn't have to like tug them to get them up or anything like that. These are the mid-rise, so they also do have high-rise. I definitely want to pick some of those up, but I did get these on sale as well. I believe that they were $10 instead of, I want to say 40, but don't quote me, but these were on clearance, and I thought it was such a good deal, and I had to snatch them up. And I love the pixie pants from Old Navy because they have so many prints, so many patterns, and so many colors. So like you could have a color for like every outfit. Like they have red, mustard, tan, they have prints. It's just like so cute. Like I cannot get enough of the Old Navy pixie pant. Another thing that I got from Old Navy, I think I just got, one more pair of pants, which is the same exact pant. Yeah, I paid $9.99, and they were originally $35.99. So I just got another pair of the pixie pants in a tan color. I think that this tan color is so great for the workplace because it's different than black, obviously, and I wear a lot of black and gray. So I think that this is awesome because it goes with black and gray, and it's just a little lighter. These will be really, really great in the springtime with a nice like floral top or something like that. It'll just be so easy to pair with different tops and everything like that. So I'm really excited for these, and they were such a good deal at Old Navy, and I think it was even 30% off the clearance price as well, which was amazing. So definitely check out Old Navy for some really great deals on business office appropriate attire, if that makes sense. So I think that's all I got from Old Navy. I do believe so. Yeah, that's all I got from Old Navy. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I picked up from Just Fab because it's just one thing. It's this pair of boots here. I love Just Fab boots. They are such good quality. I've had a pair that have lasted me, oh my goodness, I don't even know how long I've had those. I've had them for years, and they still look like really, really nice. All I had to do is just like, because like mud and stuff, I just had to clean them off with a wipey, and it's really, really fine. So this is the boot that I got. It's like, I want to say like a knee high. Like this part right here comes up to my knee, and it's really, really cute. It's stretchy in the back, which I absolutely love because I have really, really fat calves. So it's really nice to have this be able to stretch around my calf because even if I get a wide leg, sometimes it's still too tight, you guys. I know, I have really fat calves. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it has these really cute buckles on the side. I'm sorry I didn't clean them. They're muddy, but they have these really cute buckles on the side, this really nice quilted detail in the front, and then on the back it also has this little like, there's mud on it, hold on. This really cute detail that has like a little bit of gold on it, and it just wraps around the heel. It's not a high heel at all. Perfect for the workplace, just running around, doing what you need to do kind of a thing. And it's just really, really nice and a little bit elevated than the regular, just like a leather boot, if that makes sense. So here's one that's not as dirty because that one was really dirty. But yeah, as you can see, same buckle. It has more of a rounded toe. It's not super pointed, but it's not like super rounded. It has nice definition, so it kind of elongates your legs as well. I haven't had any issue tucking my pants into it as well while wearing them because sometimes my thigh-high boots, I can't wear them with jeans. I can only wear them with like leggings or something, and that doesn't work out very well for me. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Just Fab. I just got those boots because I had a credit, and it was like 50% off my entire order, and those are only like $16 or something because they were $40 if you do Just Fab. It's $39.95, and then they were half off as well. So it was a really great deal. So moving on to TJ Maxx. Did I mention I went to TJ Maxx? I went to TJ Maxx. So I went to TJ Maxx, and I got this top here, another green turtleneck. How funny. But it's just like a regular top. It's not a bodysuit or anything. I just wanted high neck tops because at my job you're not allowed to have anything like V-neck or anything like that. Like this would be fine because it's like just a regular top, but like I would have to cover my shoulders and everything like that. So this was only $7.99, and it's just a really nice kind of like it's not knit, but it has like those stripes on them. Um, and I got it in a size extra large. The brand is Olivia Ray, if you guys are looking for it at your TJ Maxx. And it's just a really nice top for winter time. Like I said, it's very cold in my office. I can even put a blazer over this and be really, really like businessy. So I think that tucked into some dress pants and even those boots, it'll be such a cute outfit as well. Next, I bought another pair of dress pants because, like I said, I had no dress pants at all. So I got this pair here, which is kind of like the paper bag style. I got these for $4, you guys. Hit up TJ Maxx for their clearance section. You can find such good deals there. I picked these up, like I said, for $4. They are just like a navy blue paper bag style, and they have two little ties here that you can tie in the front and even cinch the waist even more. They have an elastic band, so it's perfect for if you're sitting at your desk all day. You won't feel like you're suffocating because like the band of your pants is like cutting off your circulation. It has little pockets in the front, so it's perfect if you have like your ID or anything like that and you need to put that somewhere. This brand is Shosho, SHO. If you guys are looking for it at your TJ Maxx, they were originally $10 and I got them for $4. So, and they are a really good length. I find that a lot of dress pants can sometimes cut off like a really high or be really, really long. There's like no in between with the two. It's very, very strange, but love those. I got another pair of dress pants. Surprise, surprise. I think this is the last thing I got from TJ Maxx. Yes, it is. I picked up these gray pair of dress pants. These were $16.99, and they are the brand Zach and Rachel, the brand of style, if you guys are looking for them at your TJ Maxx. I do wear like a size 14 just because, like I said, I have really big calves and thighs, so that doesn't really fit around my waist, and I wish this had belt loops. Maybe I could sew some on so that I could wear a belt with these, but these fit really, really nicely. They're not too tight. I can just wear like an oversized sweater over them, and you wouldn't even be able to tell that the waist is a little big. I find with all of the dress pants that I tried on, the waist is like a little big, except for the Old Navy ones. The waist isn't too big because those are like a little bit higher up on my waist, so they cinch in a little bit more. But these are super cute. They just come down. They have a little bit of like the detail at the bottom where it's a little slit. Okay, so moving on to Walmart, I just got one top because I didn't have any like, not blouses. I did have blouses, but I just kind of wanted a white button down for my interview day, just so that it was really classy, really classic, like you can dress it up, dress it down kind of a thing. So I just picked this one up from Walmart. This is from the Time and True line. It is literally just a white button up, like nothing too exciting or anything like that. This is really nice quality though. It's not like that, I don't know the fabric, like chiffon, where it's like kind of almost like a see-through white blouse. This one's really thick. I wore a nude bra with it, and it didn't look like I had like a shadow or anything, which is not appropriate for the office, but this was really nice. I got this in a size large. Like I said, it's from the Time and True brand. It has a really nice collar. I buttoned mine up, I think, to this button, and it was totally fine. Like, it wasn't showing too much neck or anything like that, but I really like this one. They also have this in black. I might go ahead and pick that up as well, just to wear maybe even with the gray sweatpants that I got. I think that would be super cute as well. I believe that everything else I got is from Amazon. Yes, it is. So from Amazon, I picked up a few tops just because, like I said, I had no like blousey tops that weren't kind of like really like summery almost, and like we're in the dead of winter, so mine were like short sleeves and like, you know, not what you would wear regularly right now, at least. So I just picked this blouse up from Amazon. Amazon has super cute blouses right now. Not right now, but like all the time. It has the super cute neck detail with the buttons on the side. If you guys can see, you just button it up. I didn't undo the buttons before I put this over my head, and I got a big fat head. So undo the buttons before you put it on your head, and you'll be fine. And it has this cute little tie at the neck as well. I got a lot of compliments on this top. my first day. Everybody really liked it. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I love the color so, so much. And then the arms just have this cute little pearl detailing on the arm that you button. It's super cute and it's really, really nice quality. I love it a lot and I think I will get so much use out of it. Put it with a pair of black dress pants and like you're good to go. So, love that top. This one I also got from Amazon. This one's really cute. It's just a black and white pattern. It has like little scrunchy sleeves at the bottom, so it's a little bit tighter so you can, you know, wear it as kind of like more of a balloon sleeve if that's something you're into. It does have like a little keyhole in the back with a little button, and the ruffles at the neckline I think are so cute. It adds just a little bit more interest to kind of like a basic top, if that makes sense. So I love that. It's really, really cute. It sits like pretty much where this one sits on my neck, and I think with some black dress pants, and then even in the summertime, some white pants, some like white capris maybe or something, and some flats. I think that this would be so, so cute with that. I love the neckline of this top so much, and it's super inexpensive on Amazon. I will try to link everything that I can link down below. Like, I don't think I'll be able to link the TJ Maxx stuff because that was kind of like clearance, and you know, TJ Maxx changes out their styles all the time, but you can go to TJ Maxx, you can shop online at TJ Maxx. I find that so many people don't know that. Like, you can go online and shop at TJ Maxx like you do at, like, I don't know, like Kohl's or like Forever 21 or H&M or whatever. Like, they have a lot of cute styles online as well. So this other top that I got is very similar to the last one that I showed you. It has kind of like the same neckline with the ruffles on it, and then the little keyhole in the back with this little scrunch tie. It has the scrunchy sleeves again. This fabric is so nice. This is like a black and a mustard and like a cream color. It's so, so pretty. Super nice for the summertime, and if you want to, you can put a nude cami under this and to make it a little bit warmer. It's not super see-through. I feel like if you wear a nude bra, you'd be okay, but yeah, it's really cute. I love it. It's just like the other one pretty much, and I think it's perfect for the office. This last item that I got is also from Amazon. I thought that this was so cute. It's this little grandpa sweater. I wore this in one of my recent videos and I got a lot of compliments on it. It's kind of just like a regular cardigan. It has these cute little details on it. I think that this would be so cute with just like a long sleeve and then some dress pants and some boots or some flats or something like that, even some heels for a more fancy day. It's super long. It covers your butt like completely. So this is definitely one of the sweaters that you could wear with like a long sleeve if your pants have a gap in the butt and no one would ever know. Or even if you have on the just slide on dress pants like I showed you guys earlier, that nobody would know if you wear a top that's long enough. So, you know, you win all the time. But that is it for this haul, guys. Really short, really simple. I'm just trying to build my wardrobe with a couple of basic pieces and then be able to switch it out with those pieces as my work journey goes along. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.